Hey, so if you're getting a Dropbox upload failed error on Windows, yeah, like files won't upload, keep retrying, or just stop halfway through, that can be really annoying. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix it quickly. First, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, Dropbox needs a steady connection to upload files without failing. Next, yeah, just try clicking retry. Sometimes it's a temporary glitch, and the upload works on the second attempt. Now, check your file. Very large files or files with special characters in the name can cause upload failure. Yeah, this one is important. If your Dropbox or your PC storage is full, uploads will fail automatically. Next, restart Dropbox. Close it from the system tray and reopen it to reset the upload process. Try pausing sync and then resuming it. This can refresh stuck uploads. Sometimes antivirus or firewall settings block uploads. Yeah, try disabling them briefly to test if that's the issue. If it's still failing, sign out of Dropbox and sign back in. This refreshes your account connection. And finally, yeah, update Dropbox or reinstall it. This fixes corrupted upload issues and resets everything. So yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox upload failed error on Windows. Most of the time it's internet, file issues, or sync glitches. Try these steps and your uploads should work again. Thanks for watching.